Hello, 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 and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back to the Wrapped and Scraps channel. Here it is dinner time, so I am doing that, but I wanted to share with you guys really quickly. I think I mentioned it in my previous video when I was putting up this little wallpaper in my little butler's pantry here. I have this really pretty Dutch oven and knife set from Cuisinart that I want to share with you guys. So, and by the way, also, guys who know me know I had to do it. I had to do it. You can see that. Can you see that? Yeah, I had to. I couldn't help myself. So I did some coasters. I got to do some mugs. That's going to replace those in the corner there to match my wallpaper because I'm mismatchy. So I sublimated those earlier today, but now let me share with you guys really quickly this Cuisinart set. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, having just a great day and enjoying it and being grateful that you're here and all that good jazz. So here is the little set that I wanted to share with you guys by Cuisinart. All right, here's the little Dutch, I call it a little Dutch oven. Very, very useful. I have been using this for the last couple of months. I didn't really want to do a full review on it until I utilized it and you know, made sure that it was good. So here it is. You can see I've been using it. I got to do a little better scrub at the bottom. And I bought that because I really wanted this. Okay, so this is the knife set, and there is the front of it. And let me show you some of the knives. One I think I'm using right now, it's pretty much the same though. There's two of them that are this size here. Okay, so your chopping knife, your cutting knives. You can see those little grooves in it. Yeah, I messed around and scratched it up with one of my little bristle pads, so be careful. The set comes in red, blue, and green and black, I believe. Okay, so it comes with two big cutting knives, as you can see there. Comes with a bread knife, a little paring knife is what I think that's called, a pair of scissors. Okay, that's a nice size, nice. And look at the engraving on these knives. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. It's etched in there. Okay, put that one back. We have a sharpener here. Sharpeners are always good to have, and it actually works well. I've used it once. It works pretty good. And a little small knife like this. I don't know all my knives yet. I'm still learning, you guys. So I don't know what this one's called, but I use it sometimes. And then some steak knives at the bottom here. And they are very pretty as well. A really nice set. I like the little block that it comes in. And you guys know I like my blues. So what I'm probably gonna do after going through my pile of mail over there, whole pile of mail. Anybody else's husband come in and just throw their mail and never go through it? Because I know mine do. So what I'm gonna do is, they have a blender like this as well, and I'm probably gonna end up getting that blender as well. And now that I need it, this one, but it does not go. As you can see, I have a blue china cabinet over there, so it doesn't match. So I need to get another blender. So here's the one that I'm thinking about getting, you guys. It's really pretty. No, it's not a KitchenAid, but it's really cute. But yeah, so that is my favorite little pot for the moment. I think when summer comes, I'll get the red one and the red cutting block. And I'm doing it, and you can say, well, why do you need that? Why do you need two knife sets? Why do you need? Because then that takes off some of the wear and tear on this set. I only use this for 6 months out of the year. And then the other one, I'll have more of a red tone color scheme for summer and for fall with the reds and oranges and all that. And that would probably go better with those two seasons. And then I'll use these the season for winter and summer. Well, winter and spring for the blue. Okay? So what am I making for dinner, you asked? I'm glad you asked. I'm making some sloppy Joe chicken. But first, I'm getting ready to make myself a drink. It is kind of cold outside. I probably might light the fireplace. We'll see. yeah. Also, something else that I'm trying to implement from this time going forward. Let me turn, oh, the light is on. Turn the hallway light. It's so dark, you guys. So dark in here. All right. So what I'm trying to implement in this china cabinet right here, I've got several. I've got two in my living room and then one here in the dining room. I would like for this china cabinet, let me open it, to be the cabinet where guests, when they come over and want a drink, can come and pick the cup they want. I want people to be able to come. Yes, I'm in my robe, you guys, as always, but I am covered up, okay? So don't send me no emails, all right? Thank you. I want my guests to be able to come and pick which glass they want. These are these are crystal. I actually found them on clearance at Macy's, the turquoise and the green. These are plastic. All of the ones in this row are plastic. My auntie bought me these a long time ago. I also have a blue one somewhere or something like that. These are for people who are clumsy or who would like to drink too much. The red ones are really for like romance and Christmassy, right? And then I have these two. Usually I'm using one like that. And then I have these little flutes. I also have these in orange, I believe. Yes. I think I already stored them away in my storage for fall because that's the only time I ever use them. And then I have these really pretty colorful ones. And I have more as well stored around the house and other places. But as you can see, my coffee bar and bar is right over there. I plan on putting a whole bar literally here on the back wall there. But until then, I would like for people to be able to come here and pick which glass they want to use and then go over, rinse it out, and then, you know, start the drink process. So that's that. And then I have some decanters at the top here. Love my decanters. I'm gonna start filling them up, put them on the table, okay? Because the bar section is right here. So yeah. All right, you guys, so we're gonna work on the coasters that you just saw downstairs in the butler's pantry. This is the sublimation machine. I converted an Epson printer into a sublimation machine. I'm gonna take my wallpaper that I use for that area. I'm going to scan it. I'm going to print it out. I've got my press right here, my heat press. And I'm going to go ahead and find the portions of this pretty little I like to make the coaster on. I'm gonna put it on there, throw some heat tape. I'm going to press it in my machine for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then I'm going to have some cute coasters. But I thought I would share with you the process. Yes, my craft room looks a mess because it's a craft room and I've been working. Okay, it's a work area. So I pressed out my little coasters. They came out really, really cute. I did have to press them a little longer than normal. Normally, I only have to do it for 45 seconds. This, I had to do it twice. I had to do it, turn it in the machine, and press it again for another 45 seconds. But as you can see here, as I cut away the sublimation tape, it came out so pretty. So pretty. So I'm really happy with the results. I do have to pick up some mugs so that I can do some coffee mugs, but there's a certain one I'm looking for. So I'm gonna have to order that and do that. But once I do, I'll share with you guys. Look at the color, you guys. Look at the color. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Really quick video. Just wanted to share that. And I am still working on my table scape. I'm not done, so I can't show you yet. But when I get done, I will show you. Okay? So hope you guys are having a great day. All right, you guys, that's the end of this little quick clip video. Remember to stay loving you because you cannot love anyone properly if you don't love you properly. Remember to stay loving God because he is love. Stay loving life because you're still here living it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.